Wait, Jabali! This fool wants Kayla. Kama nataka tu ma form 3s wote.
Au kijana jipendi. Si ni bado alikuwa na nyemele Mary, si ndio?
Ni fala bado. Jabali, do you see this fool? I will make you worse than him. I will make you eat grass. In fact, I will make you eat soil.
Ken, we are not fighting. Like I said, Kayla is the one who asked me to teach her logarithms. I'm not interested in...
Nyamaza. Mtomo bakuli. Kijana mdogo wa form 2 kama nini unafunza msichana form 3? Hesabu gani unajua zenye sisi hatujui?
I don't want trouble. Okay? And I'm sorry for talking to her. I'll keep off.
Hebu kwanza shikai tusaidie ufala.
Jabali.
Yes.
What are you doing here?
I was going to the library.
Wafula, do you know where you are?
Mr. Mwamburi, unfortunately, as you can see, Jabali is the one who supplies Wafula with alcohol. Ali and I had stepped out kidogo to get some paper bags cause Wafula wanted to throw up. Then when we came back, we found Jabali miraculously holding the bottle.
Sir, Ken is the one who gave me this bottle. I have no idea what he's talking about.
Wafula, who gave you this bottle?
Nimemaliza. I want more. Mtongo ya zileta ingine. Funny boys were mine, you know.